Welcome back, Ford family. Whether you're rolling in a classic F-150, a tough Explorer, a sleek Mustang, or a workhorse transit van, if there's a blue oval on your hood, this video is made for you. Today, we're diving deep into 10 game-changing secrets that will help your Ford run strong, stay reliable, and keep you on the road for decades. And trust me, by the time we get to number 5, your jaw is going to drop. These aren't just generic car tips you've heard 1,000 times. These are Ford-specific insights, backed by real-world experience that most owners never know about until it's too late. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get into it. Secret number 1. Master the Ford oil change schedule and never trust the sticker. Here's something most Ford owners get completely wrong right from the start. They pull up to the oil change shop, and the technician slaps a little sticker on the windshield that says to come back in 3,000 miles. That sticker is not your friend. That sticker is a relic from a different era of engine technology, and following it blindly is actually doing your Ford more harm than good, or at the very least, it's draining your wallet for no reason. Modern Ford engines, especially those equipped with the EcoBoost technology or the newer 5.0 Coyote V8, are engineered to run on full synthetic oil. And full synthetic oil is designed to last much longer than the old conventional stuff. Ford's Intelligent Oil Life Monitor, which you'll find in most modern Ford vehicles, actually tracks your driving patterns, engine temperature, and operating conditions to tell you precisely when your oil needs changing. That system is far more reliable than any mileage sticker. What you should do is check your Ford owner's manual and follow the Oil Life Monitor religiously. For most drivers under normal conditions, you're looking at somewhere around 7,500 to 10,000 miles per change with full synthetic. But here's the kicker. If you drive short distances frequently, do a lot of stop-and-go city traffic, or haul heavy loads regularly, your oil degrades faster. The monitor accounts for this. So trust the technology Ford built into your vehicle, use the right grade of oil specified in your manual, and your engine will thank you with hundreds of thousands of trouble-free miles. Secret number 2. The EcoBoost warm-up, ritual that could save your turbo. If you drive a turbocharged Ford, and millions of you do, because Ford put EcoBoost engines in everything from the F-150 to the Escape to the Bronco Sport, then this secret could save you from a repair bill that will make your eyes water. We're talking about the simple habit of letting your turbo breathe properly at the end of every drive. Here's what happens inside that turbo. When you're driving hard and your engine is working, accelerating on the highway, towing a trailer, climbing a long hill, your turbocharger spins at incredible speeds. We're talking upwards of 150,000 to 200,000 revolutions per minute in some cases. The bearings inside that turbo are lubricated by engine oil, and that oil is also carrying away enormous amounts of heat. Now, the moment you park and shut off the engine, that oil pump stops. The turbo is still scorching hot. If there's no oil flowing, whatever oil is left in those bearings starts to cook, carbonize, and turn into a thick sludge that slowly destroys the turbo from the inside out. The fix is almost embarrassingly simple. After any spirited drive, any highway run, or any towing session, just let your Ford idle for 2 to 3 minutes before shutting it off. That's it. Just sit there, let the engine cool down gradually, and let the oil continue flowing through the turbo while everything winds down. Some Ford owners even install a turbo timer to automate this. Do this consistently, and your EcoBoost turbo can easily last the life of the vehicle. Secret number 3. Use Ford's sync system to catch problems before they become disasters. Most Ford owners use their sync infotainment system for music, navigation, and hands-free calls. That's great, but there's a whole layer of diagnostic capability buried inside that system that almost nobody takes advantage of. And it could be the difference between catching a small issue early and getting stranded on the side of the road. Through the Ford Pass app, which connects directly to your vehicle's onboard computer, you can monitor your tire pressure in real time, check your oil life percentage, review your battery health, get maintenance reminders, and even receive alerts if your vehicle detects a fault code before that check engine light ever comes on. Think of Ford Pass as your vehicle's personal health assistant, sending you updates and warnings before problems escalate. Beyond the app, your sync system itself can display detailed vehicle health reports if you navigate to the right menus. Take 10 minutes to explore your sync settings, download the Ford Pass app if you haven't already, and pair it with your vehicle. Set up the alerts. Check in on your vehicle's health the same way you check the weather forecast. Being proactive with this technology turns your Ford from a vehicle you react to when something goes wrong into one you're always ahead of. Secret number 4. The undercarriage. Wash that truck owners refuse to do, but absolutely should. This secret is especially critical for anyone driving an F-Series truck, a Bronco, an Explorer, or any Ford that spends time on salted winter roads or dusty off-road trails. The undercarriage of your truck is a complex ecosystem of metal, rubber, wiring, brake lines, fuel lines, and suspension components, and it takes an absolute beating every single time you drive. Road salt is the #1 silent killer of Ford trucks in northern states and Canada. It clings to every crevice underneath your vehicle and works around the clock to corrode metal, attack brake lines, and degrade the rubber bushings in your suspension. Most truck owners wash the body of their vehicle fairly regularly, but they completely ignore what's happening underneath. That is a very expensive mistake. The solution is to get a full undercarriage wash at a self-serve car wash at least once a month during winter, and after any significant off-road adventure in the mud or dust. Many automatic car washes offer undercarriage spray as an add-on, and it is absolutely worth every penny. After washing, once things dry up, consider applying a rubberized undercoating spray to any bare metal you can see. Ford dealers and most body shops also offer professional undercoating treatments that provide years of protection in a single application. This one habit alone can add a decade of life to your frame and keep costly rust repairs permanently off your maintenance bill. Secret number 5. The spark plug. Secret that Ford doesn't tell you. This is the one. Alright, here it is. The one you've been waiting for. If you own a Ford truck or SUV with a Modular V8 engine, particularly the 5.4-liter Triton V8 found in F-150S, Expeditions, and Mustang GTs from roughly 1997 through 2010, then you need to stop what you're doing and pay very close attention, because this secret could save you from a nightmare scenario that has cost thousands of Ford owners anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 in unexpected repairs. Here's the issue. Ford designed those 5.4 Triton engines with 2-piece spark plugs. The outer shell and the inner electrode are separate components. Over time, with heat cycling and the natural expansion and contraction of the aluminum cylinder heads, those spark plugs fuse themselves into the head. When a technician, or an unsuspecting DIY owner, tries to remove them after 60,000, 80,000, or 100,000 miles, the plug snaps. The outer shell stays in the head. You're now looking at a broken spark plug extraction job that involves specialty tools, significant labor time, and in worst cases, cylinder head replacement. The secret to avoiding this entirely is beautifully simple. Change those spark plugs early, at around 30,000 miles, well before they fuse to the head. Use a small amount of anti-seize compound on the threads when installing new plugs. And always use Ford Motorcraft spark plugs, which are engineered specifically for these engines. If you're buying a used Ford with a 5.4, the very first thing you should do is have the plugs inspected and replaced preventively by a technician who knows this specific issue. This one secret alone has saved countless Ford owners from a repair bill they never saw coming. Secret number 6. How to properly brake in a new Ford engine for maximum longevity. If you've recently bought a new Ford or a Ford with a freshly rebuilt engine, this secret is your golden window of opportunity. The way you treat an engine in its first 1,000 miles sets the foundation for how well it will perform and how long it will last for the rest of its life. Most people completely waste this opportunity because they just drive normally from day one without a second thought. New engines have microscopic imperfections in the metal surfaces of cylinders, pistons, rings, and bearings. The break-in period is when those surfaces wear against each other in a controlled way, smoothing out the high spots and creating a perfectly mated fit that maximizes compression and minimizes wear. To help this process along, you want to vary your engine speed regularly during those first 1,000 miles. Avoid holding a steady RPM for extended periods on the highway. Accelerate briskly at times to seat the piston rings, but avoid flooring it or towing heavy loads. Also avoid letting the engine labor at very low RPMs in too high a gear. Change the oil at 500 miles during the break-in period, even if the oil life monitor doesn't call for it yet. That first oil change flushes out the tiny metal particles that came off during the initial seating process. After 1,000 miles, you can drive normally, but that first short change interval is a small investment that pays dividends in engine health for the next 200,000 miles. Secret number 7. The Ford transmission fluid trick. Most mechanics don't tell you. Ford has produced some truly exceptional automatic transmissions over the years. The 10-speed automatic in modern F-150S and Mustangs is genuinely world-class engineering. But even the best transmission in the world will fail prematurely if you don't maintain the fluid properly. And here's the dirty secret about transmission maintenance that most shops won't volunteer. Ford's transmission fluid is formulated specifically for Ford transmissions, and using the wrong fluid can cause shuddering, slipping, and long-term damage. Many Ford automatic transmissions require Mersen LV or Merkin ULV fluid, and these are not interchangeable with generic ATF fluids from the auto parts store. The friction modifiers in Ford's specific formulas are tuned to work with the clutch pack materials and valve body tolerances inside Ford's transmissions. Put in the wrong fluid, and you'll feel a shudder on light throttle acceleration that slowly gets worse until you're facing a very expensive rebuild. The secret here is twofold. First, always use Ford-specified transmission fluid. Get it from a Ford dealer or buy a reputable brand that explicitly states compatibility with Mercon LV or ULV on the label. Second, change your transmission fluid every 60,000 miles, regardless of what the lifetime fluid marketing might suggest. No fluid is truly lifetime in the real world. Fresh fluid keeps seals pliable, maintains proper friction characteristics, and removes heat more effectively. This one habit can easily double the life of your transmission. Secret number 8. The cooling system. Habit that prevents the most expensive Ford repairs. Engine overheating is one of the top causes of catastrophic engine failure in any vehicle, and Ford engines are no exception. But here's the thing. The vast majority of overheating incidents are entirely preventable with one simple, consistent habit that most Ford owners skip until it's too late. That habit is proactive coolant maintenance. Ford's cooling systems use a specific orange or yellow extended life coolant that has a service life of about 5 years or 100,000 miles under normal conditions. After that, the coolant becomes acidic. Acidic coolant attacks the aluminum components in your engine, the cylinder heads, the water pump housing, the heater core, from the inside out. It also degrades the rubber hoses and gaskets. The result is a slow, invisible decay that eventually leads to a blown head gasket, a failed water pump, or a cracked heater core, all of which are expensive repairs that could have been avoided for about $20 worth of coolant. Every time you change your oil, take 30 seconds to check your coolant reservoir level and observe the color. Fresh Ford coolant should be bright orange or yellow. If it looks brown, murky, or has visible particles floating in it, it's time for a flush and fill. Also inspect your radiator hoses periodically. Squeeze them when cold. They should feel firm but pliable. Any hose that feels hard and brittle or soft and mushy is living on borrowed time and should be replaced immediately. Secret number 9. Why Ford battery maintenance is more critical than you think. Modern Ford vehicles are rolling computers. The average new Ford has somewhere between 50 and 150 separate electronic control modules, managing everything from your engine timing and transmission shifts to your lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. All of those modules depend on clean, stable voltage from your battery. And here's the thing most Ford owners don't realize. A weak or failing battery doesn't just leave you stranded. It can actually cause bizarre, hard-to-diagnose electronic glitches that send you chasing ghost problems all around the vehicle. Symptoms of a marginal Ford battery include erratic sync behavior, random fault codes appearing and disappearing, transmission shuddering, rough idle, and even phantom activation of safety features. Technicians have spent hours diagnosing these symptoms before realizing the root cause was simply a battery that was delivering inconsistent voltage. A new battery, and every single problem vanished. The secret is to test your Ford's battery proactively every 2 years. Most auto parts stores will test it for free in less than 5 minutes. Ford vehicles also benefit from battery registration. When you install a new battery, many Ford models require you to register the new battery's specifications into the body control module using a scan tool. Otherwise, the charging system won't optimize correctly for the new battery. Ask your Ford dealer or a Ford-savvy independent shop about battery registration when you replace yours. This small step ensures your entire electrical system functions exactly as Ford engineered it to. Secret number 10. Build a Ford-specific maintenance calendar and never miss a service. Every single secret we've covered today is only as good as your consistency in following it. And that's why our final secret is arguably the most powerful one of all. Build a Ford-specific maintenance calendar. Not a generic one, not one based on what some chain shop tells you, but one based specifically on Ford's published maintenance schedule for your exact model year and engine combination. Ford publishes detailed maintenance schedules in every owner's manual, and you can also find them on Ford's website by entering your VIN. These schedules tell you exactly when to inspect your brakes, rotate your tires, change your differential fluid, service your transfer case, replace your fuel filter, check your belts and tensioners, and dozens of other items that most owners never think about until something breaks. Each of these services exists for a reason, and skipping them is essentially gambling with your investment. Create a simple document or use your phone's calendar to schedule every service interval in advance. Every time you complete a service, log it with the date, mileage, and what was done. This maintenance history becomes enormously valuable if you ever sell the vehicle, and it creates a paper trail that can help diagnose problems more quickly when they do arise. A well-maintained Ford with documented service history is worth significantly more than one without records, and it will genuinely last longer in every measurable way. So there you have it, 10 secrets that will help your Ford go the distance. From mastering your oil change schedule and protecting your EcoBoost turbo, to the critical spark plug secret that could save you thousands, and the battery trick that keeps your electronics running clean, every one of these habits compounds over time. The difference between a Ford that gives out at 100,000 miles and one that's still going strong at 300,000 is almost always the owner, not the machine. Take care of your Ford, and your Ford will take care of you. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below telling us what Ford you're driving and how many miles you've got on the clock. We love hearing from the community. Don't forget to subscribe for more Ford owner content every week, and we'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.